one made $11, this one made 5, 11, 6, 12, 13. Wow, and this guy made $68. This one made 12, $8, $23. People are actually making money on here. As you can see, this guy made withdrew $10, $58, $12, $52, and so on and so on. You can go, as you can see, welcome to my channel once again, and on today's video I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be making money online by clicking or by smashing or by tapping or whatever you might call it, a URL. That's how you're going to be making money, and I'm so pumped about this method I'm about to show you, because it's a very easy method to make money online. You can be making at least $11.50 from this method. I'm so excited, so I want you to tighten your seatbelt because I'm about to drive you crazy right now. In case you're a student or probably you're a newbie to internet, looking for ways to make money online, where I got you covered. That's what I do on this channel. This method I'm going to show you works in all parts of the world, in different countries: US, Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, every continent. It works right there. So with that being said, my name is Matthew and this is my channel, and on this channel I'll make videos about making money online. I show you websites, I show you apps, I talk about affiliate marketing, how to earn money online, CPA marketing, and all of that. So if today is the first time of you coming to my channel, or you've come to my channel before you didn't subscribe, I would really love you to become part of our family. So it's very important you smash that subscribe button and you turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post awesome video like this one you're about to watch now, YouTube is going to send you a notification. So definitely I really want you to like this video, because I'm going to be blowing your mind in this video. And go to the comment section right now and comment your best emoji, your favorite emoji. Just leave it in the comment section below. Or you just want to say let's get this money, or you're pumped, you're excited, or have any questions you want to ask or anything, just go down in the comment section and leave it right there, and I'll be there to check it out, and I'll really appreciate you for doing that. Probably you've been thinking or having hard time making money online. You are the reason I'm making this video, because this is what I've tried and it has worked for me, and I've come here to show you what I did that made me to produce results. So definitely, like I said, a little bit of secrets I want to give you. Like I said, you will be making money by clicking, but the secret I want to tell you right now is that you are not the one who is going to be doing the clicking. You're going to be giving people the opportunity to click on a particular link you're going to be sending them, and when they click on the link, the website is going to pay you. So basically that's the idea about this. I might want to click off on this video because you already know what I'm talking about, but I'll show you I want you to stay to the end of this video, because I left the best for the last purposely. Because I don't want you to click off on this video. It's very important to stay with me to the end of this video. So first of all, you want to come to this website called first website on here is called R7 URL short. So definitely, guys, what we'll be doing, what I'll be showing is how to shorten a link to a video or a post, or whatever link you want to shorten, and pasting it out there for people to click, and as they are clicking, you're raking in money. The more clicks you get, the more money you make. So I'm going to be showing you 5 websites with which you can do this, 5 different websites, and the last website I'm going to be showing you is my best website. It's a brand new website, it's not yet saturated, so that is why I left it for the last. So it's very important to stick with me to this video. You might want to skip this video to the end, but that's not going to be a cool idea, because you're going to be missing out on some pro tips that I'm going to be dropping along the way as I'm making this video. So first of all, you want to come to this website called r7urlshort.com. Don't worry, I'm going to be leaving the names of those websites in the description below, so you just go down there and click on it and sign up. So the first one is this one, and on here, this website, you're going to be shortening URL links to websites and sharing it out there. Probably share it on your Facebook, you share it on to Instagram, Facebook, Quora, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit. These are traffic sources that I'm telling you right now. So these are places you can share this link and have people click on this link for you to make money. As easy as that. As easy as that. You don't need any experience, no investment at all. Right, you want to click down, you want to scroll down, and you want to see, first of all, when you come on this website, you want to create an account. And once you create an account, the next thing you want to do is copy a URL from anywhere. For example, you might come on here to my channel. Probably open up one of these videos and open up this video. Open it up real quick. Open it up. Then you want to come on here and you want to copy the URL of this particular video. You want to copy it. It might be a URL of anything, probably an article that is valuable to people who are looking for who are looking to reduce weight. It might be a URL for people who are looking to make money online. Just know that when people click on that URL, it's going to be taking them to that thing you've told them about the URL. So right now I just copied the URL to one of my videos which I made about making money online. So after that, you bring the URL on here, you shorten it, and after shortening it, you want to post it out there on all your social media accounts, the ones I just mentioned for you earlier, and you want people to click on it and the more clicks you have, the more money you have. So on here, you can come on here and read all about it, how much do I earn. You can see you can start making money with this website. It's just 3 steps: create an account, create a link, post it. For every visit you earn money. It's just that easy. And they have a referral bonus in case you want to share this idea with your friends as well. You earn 8% of whatever your friends earn as well. So you can come on here and read on that. Once you have earned a minimum of $5, you can withdraw via PayPal. Via your PayPal. In case you don't know, probably in your country PayPal is not allowed. You might go on YouTube and search how to open a PayPal account in countries that are not allowed. It's very much possible. My country is not allowed, but I swear I use PayPal. So this is one of the side. The next side, okay, real quick, let me show you how much you're going to be potentially making on this website. So as you can see, for these top tier countries, these 4 top tier countries: Canada, United States, United Kingdom, and Australia, for every 1,000 people that clicks your link, you're going to be earning $3. So imagine 1,000 people click on the link that you're going to be shortening and putting out there. You're going to be getting $3. So that's how much you can earn. And if you come on here, you're going to see that people are really withdrawing from this. As you can see, this guy made $19. This on 10, 22, 5, 5, 5, 5, 6. They withdrew through PayPal. As you scroll down, you're going to see more. I think they have Pay as well on here as a withdrawal gateway for this website. So what you want to do is click on sign up. I want to sign up and fill that up, your username, your email, your password. Enter your password again, and you want to go and confirm your password and shorten your URL. All you just have to do on how to shorten your URL, you just need to copy, like the URL of the video on my channel. You just copy it. You just copy after registering. You just come on here, put it, paste it right there. Then you click on this arrow here, and it's going to shorten it. Now this is our shortened link, and you copy this link and you go out there to your Facebook. You want to look for people who are making money who wants to make money online, probably join the groups or the pages. You want to share out this link probably on your Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter. These are the places you want to put these links, and as the clicks come in, you're making money. So with that being said, I want to take you to the next website, which is called UII.io. This basically, you'll be doing the same thing you did on the first site I just showed you. Is the same thing you're going to be doing here. This is just another site that does the same thing. Let's check out the payment rates. As you can see, this one pays higher, $6. It pays $6 for every 1,000 people that clicks your link. Every 1,000 clicks, gives you $6. So 2,000 will give you 12, 3,000 will give you 18, 4,000 is going to give you 24, and so on and so forth. This is how it's being done. So you just shorten your link and share, put it out there for people to click, and you can come here and also see that people are actually withdrawing. This one made, excuse me, this one made $11, this one made 5, 11, 6, 12, 13. Wow. And this guy made $68. This one made 12, $8, $23. You can withdraw through PayPal and Payoneer as well. If you don't know how to open a Payoneer account, you can as well check on YouTube how to open a Payoneer account in Nigeria or wherever country you are, in case you're not allowed. But Payoneer is pretty much allowed in every other country, so you might want to go check that out. And basically it's the same way. Copy any URL, probably sign up for free first of all, copy any URL and come on here and shorten it. You want to make sure that URL of what you are copying is something valuable, you are giving people value, so they want to click on it to go and check out whatever you want to show them. And the best thing about this site is that they have 20% referral bonus. So whatever the person you're going to be referring, probably introducing your friend, whatever they're going to be making, you're going to be getting 20% of that. With that being said, I'll take you to the next website, which is called adfly.com. So this is basically the same thing. You copy URL here and you bring it on here and you paste it and shorten it and share it out there. It's just easy. It's just these steps you're going to take. You're just going to click join now right here, input everything, register, and start shortening your links and start getting paid. And once you've reached like $5, you can see pay for real visitors on your website. Our comprehensive fraud filter ensures high quality traffic. Campaign starts at only $5. So once you've reached a minimum of at least $5, you can start withdrawing. You can see the number of clicks they have had for today. You see the number of registered people already on this website. So that's basically it. No more. You say register for an account and start shrinking. You shrink your account and put the URL you've shortened out there for people to click. Get paid for every person who visits your URL. So anybody that clicks your URL to go to what you're trying to show them, you make money. Place your links on Facebook, Twitter, and more, like I told you earlier. So that's that. The next one is adshrink.it. This as well pays you for shrinking your URL or any URL you want to shrink. And you can see for United States, if you're getting people to click from United States, for per 1,000 view you're getting $7.5. For Norway you're getting this amount, 6.5. Australia, United Kingdom, South Africa, you're getting 5.7, and so on and so forth. So you want to get people to click on these links. So guys, it's basically the same thing. If you want to come on here, okay, I'm not sure they have payment proof on here. Okay, so guys, that's basically, this website is just the same way they work, I think they have promotional tools on here you can use to promote any link you want to promote as well. And I think this website have a crypto as well they are trying to promote as well. So you can just come on here and register and check out the site and see if they have more things you'd like to use as well to make money. Just come on here and click register. And the last site I'm going to be talking to you today, which is my best website, is a new website they just launched, because it just have few people that have registered on here. It's called easylinks.io. So first of all, I want to show you the payout rates that you'll be getting on here. I want to show you the payout rate. As you can see, this one pays more, and that is why it's my best. Here I said Greenland. I don't know where Greenland is. If you know Greenland, where Greenland is, I want you to comment it in the right comment section below. Tell me where Greenland is, because I don't know where that is. I think coming to this website made me to even know there's a place called Greenland. So just comment that in the comment section below. As you can see, if you get 1,000 people from Greenland to click on your link, you're going to be getting $21. For United Kingdom people, 1,000 people from United Kingdom is $11.50. $11.50. For Canada, $11.20. For Singapore, $11. For New Zealand, $11, and so on and so forth. And if you come on here and click on payments proof, you're going to see that people are actually making money on here. As you can see, this guy made withdrew $10, $58, $12, $52, and so on and so on. You can go, as you can see, people are withdrawing through PayPal and Payeer as the payment gateway. So guys, that's basically how you make money by clicking. And you're not the one who's going to be doing this clicking. People are going to be doing this clicking. People from other countries are going to be doing this clicking, and you're going to be earning money. So you want to find a way to promote these links that you're going to be bringing on here to Shorting. So after, on this website, you just sign up. After signing up, you click on there. You must have heard me talk about these websites in some of my past videos. You must have heard me talk about it. You want to come to any probably my channel, you want to come on here, choose any video, copy the URL, come back to this website, you want to paste it right there, and you want to shorten it, and you want to shorten it. And after shortening it, okay, it's asking me to log in because I already have an account on here. So you want to register an account and you want to start shortening. So guys, basically that's how you make money online, sharing your links. I can also title this video as "Get Paid Sharing Your Links Online." So but guys, for more awesome ways to make video online, there'll be 2 videos that is popping up on your screen right now. Just click on any one of them and go check them out, and I'm sure you're going to gain lots of values. And it's very important you subscribe to this channel for more awesome video as this one or better ones, and like this video if you really gain value while watching this video, or if you learn something new while watching this video. Like this video. If you don't like this video, you can just definitely click on the dislike button twice. I really appreciate that. And comment in the comment section below and say anything. You can say thank you, Matthew, or you want to comment your favorite emoji in the comment section below. So with that being said, I'll see you on my next video. Till then, remain blessed and put to practice whatever you've learned here today.